Hi there, we meet again and we are going to learn about synonyms and antonyms. Now, every year we have words being added into the dictionary and we come across many words of Indian origin and other languages that have been added to the dictionary. Now, first let us understand the word. Okay, now English is such a language where the words are being adapted, or some of the words have been having their origin from other languages, especially German, French and Greek. But when I'm talking about word and meanings, it means there is a word and what it means. But when I'm talking about synonyms, it is similar meanings. There might be two words which might mean the same. Prohibit, you are prohibited to go out. You are stopped, you are restricted. Forbid or forbidden, you are forbidden to go out. It also means the same. They are not the meanings of each other, but they are having the similar meanings. Okay? So when I am talking about synonyms and antonyms, specifically synonyms, please be careful. We are referring to similar meanings rather than the actual meaning of the word. I can use substitute to make a sentence more complex or to make it look more standardized, but it will not mean that it is actual meaning of that word. No. I hope you have got it. Eat and feed. Eat means to eat, feed means to feed. Meaning is same, things are different. Now coming to antonyms. Now antonyms and opposites. Now remember one thing, when I am talking about opposite, it means something which is opposite to me or against. Antonyms means which is giving opposite meaning of the word. Which is giving opposite meaning of the word. Why this has been said? Because there are many words in English that we come across. But each and everything cannot be said in one video, and I can give you a hint that what is a synonym, what is an antonym, and how to prepare for it. Yes, you have a list of synonyms and antonyms when you Google search. I would not recommend that. Rather than, I would recommend you to go to the dictionary and check it out. Yes, Google search are authentic, but yes, I would rather explain you to take a long cut rather than a shortcut. Okay, so when you go through the dictionary, you come across the synonyms and antonyms. Okay, and when I am talking about synonyms and antonym lists, you find many books, a variety of material on them. But here, whatever the thing is, please recheck before you learn something. Understand the concept before you step into it. So the concept of synonym and antonym is, synonym is similar meaning, antonym is the anti of the word, or it is the opposite or the meaning which is having a contrast than the one. Thank you.